What factors determine the cost of a new roof? The cost of a new roof from SureThing Roofing Contractor in Peachtree City, Georgia depends on several factors, including materials, size, complexity, and local conditions. We offer a range of roofing materials, from cost-effective asphalt shingles to premium slate options, each impacting cost, durability, and maintenance needs. Roof size and complexity influence pricing, with larger or intricate designs requiring more materials and expert labor. Structural repairs, underlayment quality, and installation complexity can add to expenses. Peachtree City's climate demands materials that withstand humidity, storms, and heat, making reinforced options a smart choice. Proper ventilation and insulation are also essential for energy efficiency and longevity. Additionally, local permits and compliance with building codes may affect costs. Choosing high-quality materials and our experienced team ensures your roof is built to last. Call us at 678-212-3993 for a personalized estimate and expert advice, or visit SureThing Roofing Contractor.